So the physics talk I attended was conducted by this professor, and it was based on the physics of DNA. The professor was trying to analyze the structure of DNA and what it could mean. So he began to talk about the double helical structure of DNA and how a DNA molecule can pack the most amount of data we know. It's extremely intense. It can pack gigabytes and gigabytes of data in the smallest and tiniest amount of space, and it's made up of these four compounds, as we call them, A, C, G, and T, and it's made up by a combination of these compounds. What's interesting about the DNA molecule is that this combination is true code. There is no physics or chemistry behind this true code. And if you went to write out a small part of a DNA, like if you just broke down a small element, and you went to write out the true code in it, it would be pages and pages and pages of just true code with no repetition, no sort of pattern that appears. And so his research focuses on understanding the meaning of a specific aspect of this strand of the DNA. Um, and it is important for us to understand that life and evolution i- ev- life is very special because of evolution. Evolution is what led us to be here, and very specific life conditions were necessary for the evolution of DNA in the way that it evolved. The reason we don't see intelligent life anywhere else is because DNA is a very, very specific molecule which needs conditions to grow, like an abundance of carbon and hydrogen in such conditions which are favorable for its existence, which are not necessarily found on other planets. So it was really interesting going to this talk and understanding everything he spoke about. I wish I could talk about it in more detail, but I only understood a little bit, and it really got me curious about physics, and I wish to pursue it further. Thank you.